Racism is a state of mind because every day nature teaches us that we cannot all be the same. Imagine we all spoke one language, how difficult it would be to keep a secret or speak privately. Imagine if we all had one color, how normal, ordinary, and common we would all look at each other. Imagine if we ate just one food, how we would have missed the pleasures of continental dishes. Imagine if we were just one country, how could we have earned foreign exchange? Imagine if we were just one nation, how could we have played the World Cup? Imagine if we were all just one continent, how boring it would be at the Great Olympics to see just one flag. Variety indeed, they say, is the spice of life, because even the piano is a mixture of black and white. Nature itself teaches us that a black hen lays white egg. So it is not how you look on the outside, but rather how you look on the inside. It is not where you come from that matters, but what comes from you. Because variety is the spice of life. If you are an Asian, that's your variety. If you are an American, that's your variety. If you are an African, that's your variety. If you are an Australian, that's your variety. If you are an European, that's your variety. We are all special, unique, and different. Our color does not define who we are or what is inside of us. Therefore, don't judge somebody by how they look. Just as we say, never judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a person by his color, because racism is just a state of mind. We can change it together as one. We make the world a better place. This is Solo Hits on the Mic, the world's youngest sensational, international, motivational, inspirational speaker, singer, poet, and leader.